Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to connect your website domain to your Shopify store. So let us bounce into it. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is over on the left-hand side, right at the bottom of the page, you will see settings. Now, once you go into settings, you will have a menu on the left-hand side and you will look for domains, which is pretty much right down at the bottom. We're going to tap on domains, and here you can see that you can connect existing domain. This means that you own this domain. You have access to it. All right from here, you're going to go ahead and enter in your domain. Once you've done entering in your domain name, you can go ahead and jump into next. And it's pretty simple from here. If you want to connect it manually, okay, it's very, very complex. There's a lot of settings that you need to change. However, if you tap on connect automatically, it'll basically throw you into your domain host. In my case, it's GoDaddy. And all you'll have to do is log in and verify that you are connecting this domain. And then you're done. Your domain is now connected to your Shopify store and you can increase business sales. If this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like, show your support so that we can continue making awesome content. We'll see you next time. Peace out.